how do we number the points or vertices in the graph? Let's take a look at the first point, point A. We're going to label this with a 0 because no arrows are pointing out from A. All the arrows point into A. This means that all the coins will eventually end up at A. Then we'll take a look at B. Well, B points only to A. We label B with the first positive number that is not among the numbers in the points that B points to. So, if B points to the number 0, the next natural number that is not 0 is 1. So, we're going to label B with the number 1. This is what we do with all the points, in fact, all the vertices. Each vertex, we take a look at the points that, or the other vertices that this vertex points to. So C, for example, points to B and A. And we label it with the next natural number, or the first natural number that we come across. Natural numbers, we include 0 as a natural number. So if C points to the natural number 0 and the natural number 1, the next natural number is going to be 2. In fact, the first natural number that is not among 0 and 1 is the number 2. That's why we label C2. Now let's take a look at D. D points to C and it points to B. So D points to 1 and it points to 2. You might think that the next natural number is 3. However, don't forget we're including 0 in the natural numbers. So the first natural number that is not among the natural numbers that D points to, that is, that it's not among 1 or 2, is actually 0. So that's why we write on the point D, 0. D points to B, which is 1, and C, which is 2. And the first natural number in the list of natural numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, is 0. Let's write the natural numbers up here, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So if D points to 1 and 2, then 0 is left out. Let's take a look at E. What's the first natural number that E comes along? Well, E points to D and C, that is, it points to 0 and 2. So the first natural number that D comes across is 1. That's why E is labeled 1.